everyone, I'm Jodi and welcome to my channel. I'm really glad that you're here today. We are going to talk about new makeup, which is always exciting, but I want to make sure that I'm bringing you good quality makeup that is more applicable to our more mature skin. This time of the year, I don't know about you guys, but I just feel like I have to sort of declutter and just get rid of some stuff, but I also want to know what's new and can any of it replace what I was getting rid of, or replace one or two or maybe three products in place of one, and does it work on mature skin? So today we're going to dive into the new Anastasia of Beverly Hills cream blushes. If you've watched me on this channel before, you know that as my more mature skin, I'm 51, I prefer to use a cream blush. I think it wears better. I think it looks better on the skin. It smooths out a little bit better. It's not as patchy per se, and it doesn't have that drying look that I think more powdered blushes can look on my more mature skin. And Anastasia of Beverly Hills has come out with 5 new cream blushes. I have 4. I could not get my hands on Latte, which is a rosy brown, so I'm bummed about that, but we're gonna try the other 4 and see if there's a good match in there maybe for you. Now these retail for $32, which is a bit of a high price point, but so we're gonna dig right in and see kind of what makes it that price and if it's worth the value. A couple things to note is it is ultra lightweight cream formula that is said to melt into the skin with natural looking radiant color, delivers a second skin effect with a seamless finish and customizable intensity because it is buildable and blendable, and it delivers smooth color that never feels sticky, which is great if you have longer hair, if you've ever put on a cream blush or specifically cream glosses and the wind catches you and before you know it, you've got hair stuck to your lips. That's just the worst. So we're going to check this out. Now it has been dermatology tested and it is cruelty free, free of parabens, oil, and fragrance. Fragrance is an important one for me to be free of fragrance. I just don't want a bunch of fragrance that close to my nose and my head, and if you're susceptible to headaches, that might be something that you're interested in as well. So let's dive right into it. Getting ready today and not putting on any blush was interesting. I don't normally not do that, so I kept looking in the mirror going, what? Something's wrong with my makeup today. And that was it. I didn't have on any blush, but we are going to solve that problem. The first one in the lineup for us is going to be Peach Caramel. Now it is a beautiful, I mean, that's just gorgeous. It's like a rose gold color. It says Anastasia of Beverly Hills right on the center. It's really, really pretty. And when you open it up, it has a nice dense brush on the one side, and then you've got your color on the other. So you can easily blend with just one tool, which I love. No need for an extra brush. Now this one is this Peach Caramel. Is that the one I got? Yeah, it is a deep warm peach. And we're just gonna see how that wears. Oh, that goes on really, really creamy. And what a beautiful color that one is. Really nice. Now I'm gonna try to just blend that with the brush that it comes with and see what that does. Yeah, that blends, you guys, really nicely and smoothly, and it doesn't look patchy. I am gonna put one of these on my face, but that would be just too dark and a little too warm for what I'm wearing today, so I won't do that. But that does blend really, really nice, and that would actually be a good contour stick for the right skin tone. But that's really pretty, and you can, if you get too heavy-handed, it looks like you could just kind of blend that away with that brush. So I do really love that brush. So now we're gonna try Peachy Keen, and this is a soft peach. And I gotta tell you, these are really pretty. If you're a collector of makeup and you just like makeup, the look of makeup, I mean, these are just stunning. I think they're really, really pretty. So let's see what Peachy Keen looks like. I love the brush, I really love the brush. Okay, so Peachy Keen is a soft peach, and let's put that where we haven't put anything else. That's really pretty. That's a really pretty soft peach color as well. And I think that would look good on a lot of different skin tones. And if you're not a fan of the brush, it's very blendable with your fingers. Yeah, that's a really pretty color. I'm gonna put that back against the Peach Caramel just so you can kind of see the two colors. Really pretty, both of them so far. And I really do love the feel of them on my skin. They feel very, very creamy. So that's probably a little warmer than what I would want to wear again for today's look, but that's okay. We've got 2 more to try, and I'm sure we'll find one that is perfect for this fun little shirt outfit I have on today, which if you guys are interested, I picked this up at Nordstrom recently, and it's called Wayf, W-A-Y-F. Just fun. I wasn't a fan of the big puffy sleeves coming back, but I decided, you know, why fight it, just go with it, and they're fun. They're just kind of fun. So the next one is Pink Delilah, and this is a rose petal pink. So let's see, oh, that's really pretty. Yeah, that's a really pretty color as well. I'm running out of arm room here. I will put one on my face, I promise. I just want to kind of get a sense for which one I want to wear today, and that might be it. That's more of a cool tone, I think, and I really do like the color of that a lot. Now, this is what it will look like on different skin tones. This is from their website, so you can see what that might be. Any of these might be a match for your skin. So that Pink Delilah might be the one that I wear for today, but let's just see what the last one looks like. And that is Soft Rose, and it is a deep rosy pink. So let's take a look. You guys, the packaging on this is gorgeous. I'm not a big makeup collector. Like, I don't like makeup out on my vanity or anything. I like it kind of clean. But these are so pretty. I could totally see like leaving these out or in the background or something. So nice job on the packaging for sure. All right, let's look at this one. That's what it looks like on my skin tone. That's really pretty too. And here's what it would look like on a few different skin tones. Really pretty. So I don't know. All right, well, let's go with, I want to put it on my face so that I can show you how it goes on and how it really does blend on top of makeup, since I have makeup on today. That's kind of a telltale sign, I think, for how it applies, how it wears, and then how that brush works. So we're gonna go with a Pink Delilah, and I think it's really, really pretty. So let's just see how I think it'll go. Yeah, I think it'll match, probably a little bit too matchy-matchy for my lips, but we're committed. It's almost like putting on a lipstick. It feels really easy to put on, so I don't feel like I have to be real precise. And then I'm loving this brush. So let's just see. I think the brush works okay. I think it's a little stiff for the blend that I would want. I would probably go with my fingers, or a damp beauty sponge would probably be more of the preferred method of application for me. I think the brush actually is hard enough. I would probably use that for some contour versus this blush, but that is a really, really pretty color, and I would just set this with just a slight amount of setting spray, and I bet you it is good to go all day. So we will check in a couple hours and just see how it wears. So I think I'll put a setting spray on the right side, and I won't put anything on this side, just for those of you that don't put a setting spray or a powder or anything over your makeup, and we'll see how it wears for, I don't know. So I think 5 hours sounds good, yeah? And we will check in a little bit. But I have to say, if it wears as well as it goes on, then I think we are in good shape. I will check back in with you. Let's see how it wears. Hi, you guys. So it has been about 5.5 hours, yeah, since I put this makeup on. And I have to say, I'm really impressed with it. I've been out running errands. I went to the grocery store. It's snowing here, so I have put this blush through the ringer today. And I have to say, the side that has the setting spray, I feel like it has a little bit more vibrancy to the color still. The side that I didn't put any setting spray or any powder on, I think wore just nicely. It's completely fine. It never did get sticky or tacky. So I have to say, I'm really impressed with this formulation from Anastasia. And when I went to take all of the colors off of my arm that I sampled earlier this morning, they weren't easy to get those colors off. So by and large, I think these are some great formulations. Now, they're $32, like I said, and there is some alternatives. Kiko Milana is one that I found on Amazon. It's a drugstore brand. It wears very well. It doesn't come with the brush on the other side, so depending on what you're interested in and what price point is most comfortable for you, these aren't a bad option for sure. So I hope that was a helpful review. If so, please give it a thumbs up or leave me a comment so I know this is the type of video that you're interested in. Reviews are always so fun, right? It's like, why spend our money on makeup if we're not gonna love it? I think this is one that you'll really enjoy. Thanks so much, everyone. Have a good rest of your day. Bye-bye.